Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Study of Animal Tissue. In that we are studying topic Structure of Muscular Tissue. Now muscular tissue is specially made up of thin elongated cells which are termed as muscle fibers. And what else is present in muscular tissue? Let's study and find out about them today. When you study about muscular tissue, what we come across is that there are three different kinds of muscular tissue: striated, non-striated as well as cardiac. Now basically muscular tissue is made up of highly vascular or specialized thin elongated cells which are termed as muscle fibers and which are capable of contraction as well as relaxation due to a presence of a protein which is termed as myosin and actin. Structure of muscular tissue. Now muscular tissue or muscles are made up of highly specialized thin and elongated cells which are even termed as muscle fiber. Now which are capable of continuous contraction and relaxation due to the presence of protein filaments which are myosin and actin. Now myosin and actin proteins or fibrils are present basically in their cytoplasm and which are responsible for the gliding movements. In man, muscle amount is almost 60% of the total body weight. Your muscle mass and body weight are different. The cytoplasm of the muscle cell is basically termed as sarcoplasm. Now depending upon the type of matrix present as well as the structure, function, location, these muscle tissues are further divided into cardiac, striated and non-striated depending upon their work, function and location. Students, in this part of the chapter we came across the structure of muscle tissue and where it could be further bifurcated. I hope you all are very clear with this concept. Thank you.